welcome back to the channel. Hey, I got a different gun unboxing. This came from Scott Martin. In one of his videos, he said that he was cleaning out his garage and was asking people to make comments, and then they pick some random winners and they'll send them a few things. So Scott Martin sent me awesome baits, and I haven't really looked in here, so we'll bust them open and check them out. As you can tell, there's some nice greasy stuff there. So first one we'll pull out here looks like some toads. Bruiser bait. It looks like some toads. Very oily. Looks like some butter toads. I have a little buzz bait. I could put these on there and give it a whirl. I have to do some modifications of this to make them work, but that's a possibility. Then we got some, looks like some Zoom. Oh, it's a little creature hogs. Some little creature hogs. That'll work pretty good on my Carolina rigs, especially this. This is a Drop Shot Goby Jr. from Poor Boy. Cucumber Drop Shot Goby. That's pretty interesting. Little drop shot. Let's see what else got. Oh, got another one. Again, same thing. We got some more drop shot stuff. Oh my god, it so stinks in here. We got some lizards. We got some white lizards, 6-inch white lizards. Roland Martin. Ha! That's funny. As you can tell, I don't know if you can see that price tag right there, but it's Roland Martin. Roland Martin actually has a Scott Martin's dad, right? Actually has a marina that's down in Florida. So it says Roland Martin 10/21/08. Oh my gosh, this was back in 08 when I bought these. $4.59, I think. I don't know what they go for now. Let's see what else we got in here. Reaction Innovation. These are sweet beavers. Big Texan sweet beavers. Again, everything is so juicy right now. This is a tiny product from Netgear. This is a tiny crawl. That's interesting. Green pumpkin candy. A little tiny crawl. It's pretty cool. Let's see here. Floating Savage Gear floating lures with an attitude. This is a sand eel slug. And then we got in here. Oh snap. There was spinnerbait in here. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Oh, shoots. But there. This thing is heavy. It's even got fishing line on it. Again, this is from Scott Martin, which I think is exciting. It's awesome. Raise our blade. It's a spinnerbait. It's pretty cool. And then last but not least, he threw in some lures here. This is Sherbert's Lures Terry's Tackle Inc. in Michigan. Look at that. That would be some tubes, which will work really great up here. I mean, obviously we're here in the Midwest, and that's all we got. I mean, so I thank you, Scott. I appreciate it. Appreciate you, all your information and everything. I appreciate you doing these type of videos. I appreciate the lures. Definitely will throw this, the Sweet Beaver. I'll probably throw the drop shot and definitely the tubes. But what I'm really interested in is these right here, my Carolina rigs one coming up. And also I'm going to do some modifications to this buzz bait to put this toad on there from Bruiser Baits. But again, Scott, I appreciate you sending this to me. I really absolutely thank you. I think it's awesome, and I will have to give back. I'm trying to work on giving back to my fans as well as also trying to give back to some of the veterans. So again, thank you. I greatly appreciate you, and good luck to you the rest of the way. Again, thank you, Scott Martin, for sending this. We'll put it to good use. Thank you very much. We out of here. Deuces.